Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by huge spreadsheets in Google Sheets and you just need to isolate rows containing a specific word, say, north in your region data, this tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this, you'll know how to quickly filter your data so you can focus only on the information that matters most to you. Let's dive right in and simplify your workflow. First things first, let's talk about the kind of situation where this trick comes in handy. Even though I'm working with a small sample file here to demonstrate, the same process works perfectly whether you've got 10 rows or 10,000. Imagine you're managing a sales tracker for different regions and you want to focus only on results from the north area. Rather than scrolling endlessly to pick them out, let's filter the sheet in just a few clicks. Start by making sure you select all your data. You can do this quickly by clicking and dragging over the range of cells you want to filter, or if your data stretches across the whole sheet, just click that little box in the top left corner between the row numbers and column letters. This tells Google Sheets exactly which range to apply the filter to. It's important because filters only work on the data you highlight. If you skip this, you might end up with hidden results flying under the radar. With your data all selected, turn your attention to the filter icon at the top right of the toolbar. It looks a bit like a funnel. Go ahead and give that a click. You'll notice that the headers of your columns now have small filter icons next to them. That's how you know the filter feature is active for your selection. Now find the column that holds the information you want to filter by. In my case, that's the region column since I'm looking for all rows that mention north. Hover over that column header and click the small filter button that just appeared there. This opens up the filter options specifically for that column, giving you a lot of control over what shows and what gets hidden. Here comes a crucial step. From the drop-down menu, select Filter by Condition. This is more powerful than just unticking some boxes. Here you can set up a rule. Once you're in, you'll see a whole list of conditions to choose from. For our purpose, pick Text Contains. This tells Google Sheets you're looking for any row where the text in this column includes what you type, not just exact matches, but also partial matches, which makes it flexible. In the text box that appears below, simply type North. Spelling matters here, but don't worry about capitalization. Google Sheets isn't case sensitive for this. Once you've typed it in, hit OK and take a look at your sheet. Instantly, all the rows that don't contain North in the region column will be hidden, making it so much easier to work with the data you actually care about. If you have a really large file, this filter might take a few seconds to process, but that's normal. Just be patient and you'll get your results. And if you ever want to clear the filter and go back to seeing all your data, just click the filter icon again and remove the filter condition. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly filter rows by a specific word in Google Sheets, saving you tons of time digging through your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tips, drop a comment below. I always love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.